Number one. So the nature of examples in life. You can say, will be an example that I must follow. What is the nature of the person? Number one, let me run. They outlive their time. Will be an example that I must follow. The person outlive their time. Hey, today they are not here. Sammy is up. Ike is at the back. Look at me. There's no way one day when daddy and mommy are gone, they won't mention, nobody will mention their name in this church. They are an example of people who gave their house, who have given freely. An example are people who outlive. And see, they still live. That is number one. Number two. So, watch me. If you see somebody as an example, then you put no born abrabo, as if say owa asa, there's nothing at stake. Be careful. Can I run? Anybody who is an example is an asset, not a liability. An asset in the tree a day. This is a kwabi interpreter. Assets in the tree a day. Aboka. This is a fool. Or you japadie liability a day. Or how? Or you can addition. Thank you. So anybody who's an example on your addition, the person is an japadie. So if you are following somebody and the person is an addition, number three. Now, listen, these are things that were dictated to me. I typed, I wrote. Listen. Anyone who is an example, don't live anyhow. They are not careless. Shemyo, if you are now, all the scriptures I read to you. If you take your time and read through the scriptures, you find all these things inside. They don't live anyhow. They don't live carelessly. The person is careless, living anyhow. The person is not an example. Run away. Including you yourself. So if you are an example to yourself, I told you in life sometimes we follow our own selves. So if you are following your own self and you are careless and you are living anyhow, tell yourself, self, I won't follow you again. I'll look for an example to follow. Number what? Number 4, they don't just talk anyhow. Examples and kasa basa basa. They weigh their words and the effect of their words before they speak. Example. Sometimes depending on who says silence is golden. Number 5, examples are pace setters. They show and they pave the way. Pace setter. They show, they pave the way. Number 6, anyone who is an example is a practical person. They are not talkers or theoretical. They are practical. Number 7, they are real people. They are not fake. Joshua, if I am going to follow you and I realize you are fake, if I'm going to say you are my example, let's say no say we are fake when you're real. Papa, what would happen is that eventually I would also become a fake person. If you'll be a and say, are you real? Bisan say, are you for real? Bisan say, can I believe you? Dabi won't be saying, can I believe you? Am I safe if I want to follow you? What's it then? Number 8, they do what they say and say what they do. They do what they say. Now they are bound by their words. Once I want can obey you. Number 9, they are a point of reference. Sir, obey to me, they not cancel me. They are a point of reference. Number 10, an example influence others positively. People who are examples, they influence others positively. They influence others positively. And so would your business and nipa konso your example on. Hwe nipa o mo twa no nwehia na hwe nipa o mo di ndechi. Are they positive people or they negative people? We feel who see free being China say nipa na we see who see free in China. The people who are following him, they are following her. They are all mabrabo e ko offer. Number 11, they don't fall in sin and iniquity and enjoy it. Amon to bonimu, amon tina bonimu. Anybody who should be your example, immediately the person falls into sin, the person will repent, run, behave as if he is dead, in trouble.